Welcome to Guangdong Zoma Technology. As a leading source factory for lingerie and sports gear automation, we're pushing the limits of precision. Today, let's see how a professional billiard glove is made. It starts with the perfect cut. Our high-speed, automated cutting system ensures every piece fits the hand's contour perfectly, providing the ultimate comfort and flexibility for players. The real magic happens here. Vision-guided dispensing. Unlike traditional methods, our machine is equipped with a high-definition camera system. It sees and identifies the exact position of each piece in real time. This ensures every anti-slip silicone dot is placed with 100% accuracy. No errors, no waste, just professional grade quality every single time. From raw fabric to a high-performance finished product, this is the efficiency of Zoma Technology. Looking for reliable automation solutions to upgrade your production? Subscribe to our channel and contact us today for more details.